And this controversy is now endlessly blowing up. The two people at the heart of this issue, Annamalai and Dayanidhi Maran, have spoken to us here on India Today. Let's first get you the reaction that's come in from Dayanidhi Maran after the Prime Minister lashed out at Maran, saying that this was an arrogant response to say, who is Annamalai? You've got Dayanidhi Maran saying, I reiterate what I said earlier, that Annamalai is a joker. Let's also tell you what the Tamil Nadu BJP chief has also said. You've got Annamalai responding to this entire controversy, saying that it only exposes the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Let's get you those reactions back to back.
BJP doesn't seem to be happy with what he recently said about Annamalai, calling him a joker. Now, the Prime Minister has said that senior Neta, he didn't name you, but he claims that Neta and DMK are arrogant.
First, who is the arrogant person in BJP? Who is the most arrogant person in BJP? A Prime Minister who comes to Chennai for third time doesn't even have a heart to visit the areas which are affected by the flood, to at least console those people who have been affected by the flood. He had gone to Thoothukudi. People really suffered there because of water logging. Did he even bother to go meet them? Or even now, why can't he say, okay, I will take part and I'll ensure that the 6,000 rupees was given for each family as relief of floods. The union government will contribute. Can you say that? Or can the Prime Minister come and say that, oh yes, we will now speed up the fund for the metro rail project, the second phase. Can you say that? See, you continuously, consistently ignore Tamil Nadu. Why are you doing that?
One of the ugliest political parties in our country is DMK. Because DMK party is founded on the language of filth. And if you look at DMK's history, their abuse of women, their intolerance for any newcomer, DMK stands for abuse at its worst. And this is coming from a person, Dayanidhi Maran. If you remove his word Maran from there, he will not even get a job as anybody in any place. He is totally useless without his family surname. But unfortunately, when they know they are losing, DMK will always take recourse to abuse and filth.
So you can see from the statements that we just played out for you that things are only continuing to get more and more heated between the DMK and the BJP in the last leg of the campaign here in Tamil Nadu. Let me bring in Pramod Madhav and Shilpa Nair, both of whom have been on the campaign trail, getting us all of these reactions from Chennai. Pramod, to you first. You got us that exclusive reaction of Dayanidhi Maran, who's very clear. He says there's no question of apologizing. I stand by what I said. He's in fact also gone ahead and launched an aggressive attack at the Prime Minister.
Absolutely, Akshita. We just got another 9 days for the election, and what is happening over here is that, just like you mentioned, Dayanidhi Maran, he's still asking, who's the most arrogant person in BJP? That's what he's trying to put forward the question, and it looks like he's still maintaining the word that he said about Annamalai as well, and this is where it has gone up to right now. But Dayanidhi Maran is also questioning that, claiming that be it PM Modi, he did not visit the flood affected areas, and that's the reason he wants to call PM Modi as arrogant. That's what Dayanidhi Maran says, Akshita.
Okay, I want to bring in Shilpa Nair on this to also understand how the BJP is taking up this entire issue. Shilpa, it's very clear that the BJP is going all out. I mean, the message is clear from the fact that the Prime Minister himself chose to raise this, chose to speak about what Dayanidhi Maran told Rajdeep in his rally today. But even Annamalai now, not holding back, saying who is Dayanidhi Maran without Maran? He is somebody who won't even get a job. So this is just getting ugly now between the two parties.
Well, that's right, Achita. In fact, with just few more days left for the elections here in Tamil Nadu, massive war of words breaking out between the DMK and the BJP. And the trigger point, of course, is that India Today interview where Dayanidhi Maran, the DMK Central Chennai candidate, told Rajdeep Sardesai that Annamalai is a joker. He's just lame duck. These were the words used by Dayanithi Maran in that interview. And the Prime Minister, of course, used that. He raised this issue in the campaign speech today at Mettupalayam when he was speaking to the voters. He says this goes on to show the arrogance of the DMK. This goes on to show the real character of the DMK. They are using these words for someone who has served as a young IPS officer who's been, working on ground extensively, who comes from a backward community. And this only goes on to show the real character of the DMK, is what the Prime Minister says. But the DMK, on the other hand, are now pointing out instances where Annamalai has used some very, objectionable words while attacking his political opponents and others. The latest instance being that of Annamalai saying that Kamal Hassan, the actor politician, needs to get his brain checked at a mental hospital. This was a remark that Annamalai
So
had
that's
made few
also
days
a very
back.
important controversy that's been snowballing. We're running out of time. Pramod, Shilpa, thanks very much for joining us with all of those updates.